Right, you've created your fantastic video. You're absolutely delighted by it. You've given the class 2 weeks to try and watch it. And now the important moment comes where you want to see have the class actually seen it or not, or how many have seen it. Now, YouTube are really good at actually letting you be able to see the number of people who have seen the video. So what you do is you go to your channel and then you go to Video Manager. So when I've clicked on that, I can now go to Analytics. And for the minute, it says the last 28 days, which is obviously not that useful because it's been the summer. So if I go to this year, this will tell me how many times people have viewed the video, so 3,700 views, and also it can say how many minutes have been watched, which is like 30,000 minutes. So that's a nice thing because you look at it and think, well, at least someone's watching these videos, and hopefully it'll be useful. Now, most of my videos are locked, so you can only get it through a link. So the good thing is I know these minutes watched are actually from my pupils. I'll give you an example. I can now click on one of the questions, so I can click on the 25 mark question video that I made. I can see that 138 views, which about 40 people, so that means two or three people will have seen it again and again. And it says how many minutes have been watched. Now, if you're the sort of boring person that I am, you can click on the amount of minutes watched, and it will tell you. First of all, you can see when they watched it. Now you can see there was a big spike, and as you'd probably expect, that big spike was like 2 days before the exam. Um, Now this I think is quite useful. Bizarrely, I've got 4 views in India. Don't really know why. That the average view there was only 5 minutes though, so I think they got bored pretty quick. But what it shows here is people in the class, 134 views for my class. It was a 21-minute video, but the average view time was only 9 minutes. So that means some of those people will have only watched half the video. And kind of what I found out is if you make your video much more than 10 minutes, um, you'll be lucky to get them to watch the whole of the video. So I think it's really important not to go too big with your videos.